Hey ladies and gentlemen, I'm on a mission today, and yeah, my mission today is looking for this, a glove, and I dropped it. I'm not sure where I dropped it. And I'm gonna try to backtrack. Off I go. Now I gotta backtrack from where I had lunch and work my way backwards. Basically it's not backwards, it's just that little detour. And I did go back and I looked at the place where I ate. It wasn't there. So I had to fall out of my pocket somewhere down the lineup. And that's where I have to figure out where it fell. It's not important that I find it, but yeah, when I had my car, I hit a small pile of snow and I lost my front of the fog light emblem, Benzel, and I went back like 3 weeks later. It was still there. I found it. Amazing. I'm backtracking and I'm gonna go ahead and take my trip to where I normally go and see if I find it over there.
When is the son of a bitch? You already left over here. What did you do?
Now, you gotta understand, this is testing out my new lens. Doesn't matter who it came from, Teflon, whatever the company's name is. And I also did this trip yesterday, so I didn't find it over here. But yeah, I'm gonna see a little further way down the road where it's at. I'm cold, but I got the other glove on. Alright, we got something happening here. The last time was a guy got hit with a hammer. And this is a SWAT team. And the guy there's got a AK-47 or whatever type of gun it is. A lot of action. Police right up ahead. So, do I want to hang around and see what happens? Hell no. I don't want to be here. I want to be away from it all. We'll see what's on the news tonight, what that was all about. Not good when you see things like that. So let's get out of here and go on look for my glove. See where it's at. Hang out for a minute, you hear that horse kicking. It's a kicking, ready to get out of there. That's what I thought I did the last time. My glove's not over here. I'm chalking this up as a glove lost at 3 for $10. I'm gonna hold on to this particular glove, use it as a spare. I don't care if it's miscolored or whatever. A lot of the area gets cleaned up and nothing you can do about that, right? It dropped. I'm at my halfway point and I know it's been cleaned up, left somewhere and used. It's over, just as that. There is a person I could think of right now, and yeah, I say, hey Daniel, check out that surfer. And sure enough, that's where my glove went. Just kidding, buddy. Things do happen, they do fall out, you just don't know when they do. And that's why you gotta tether your camera. Since I'm out here, I'll give you a little history. The Thunderbolt, the Cyclone. The Cyclone had like a twin sister or brother wooden roller coaster on the opposite side of the park. It burnt down, stayed as rubble. They eventually cleaned it up and decided to do a metal roller coaster. You see that big thing there? I can't exactly read the words up there, but that big pendulum where the gyro ball's at, that would have been where the observation tower would be. And that was a landmark. They took it down, and sure enough, now you got that up. It used to go up and observe around the whole area. No more. So this is now the new Coney Island The bumper carts over there, no longer. Hell Hall, Ghost Hall, no more. Something new gonna be there next year, hopefully. Over here used to be Ringleads Brothers and Barnaby's Bailey Circus, however you want to pronounce it. Every year the circus would be over here, no more. Volleyball. Got a volleyball game going. Well, I'm all done. Couldn't find what I wanted to look for. My glove and all that good stuff, right? And had a good day out. Pretty cool on that note. I hope to see you on the next videos to come. And this is an awesome test with the new tempered glass on there and the back of the glass as well. Did a great job, so I give it a thumbs up right now. But when I look at the editor, that's another story and for you to decide. Have a great day and catch you all in the next video. I'm Fish. See you on the next one.